Presenting Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch in electric blue. It is also available in deep wine, champagne grey, jet black, mist grey, olive green, royal blue and teal green. The watch comes in 1.69 inches LCD square display in a size of 4.7 into 3.9 into 1.2 centimeters and weighs 45 grams and has 150 plus cloud-based and customizable watch faces. The IP68 waterproof rating makes it durable for everyday wear. Enjoy 25 hours of battery in just 15 minutes of charge. It features 24/7 heart rate, stress, blood oxygen and sleep monitor and menstrual cycle tracking. And comes equipped with 60 sports modes and quick reply feature available for Android. The box contains the smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.